Experience Snap and Smart with Obniz, now the plug-and-play IoT module that brings immediate connectivity and automation to any product or facility. Discover how easy and cost-effective it is to unlock new smart capabilities. Introducing this technology from Obniz is Yuki Sato. He is the CEO of Obniz. Come on up.
Thank you for the introduction. My name is Yuki. I'd like to talk about how to add intelligence to products. So, this is my first time in Las Vegas. I'm staying at the Station Hotel, and I have noticed that very few products is smart enough except for TVs. TVs can download the latest movie, but others cannot, even connected to the internet. So, humans are very smart, so we can talk about what is the problem, I'm getting the fever or I'm running out. But machines are very silent. The silence leads to making more maintenance cost and supporting cost. Nowadays, IoT is trying to solve this problem, but each product it has different systems. Like a lift has motors and ropes, but the air conditioner doesn't have these. Air conditioner only has the compressors. So the IoT requires the edge software development. So this makes more higher IoT system costs. That's why we created the firmware-less technology named Obniz. So by attaching this device to the equipment, then without software development on each device, cloud system detects the errors and current status and histories. This will support the maintenance and fixing costs. Without the smart system, maintenance should start from the investigating what is going on with this device. We are targeting to the market for supporting the field management services. You know, maybe your friends or your family is related to the hardware products, and maintenance is essential and costly thing. So we will reduce the cost of the maintenance by using our system. Attraction, we already started in this product in Japan. We have been sold over 20,000 units in Japan. And like the use cases, like the construction company like Kajun Corporation is already use our system to monitor the equipment location and statuses, and without the actionable solar panel system relies on our smart system. And our first product is succeeded on the Kickstarter. Thank you for all our partners. The reason I'm exhibiting on the CES is we are expanding. And also we are going to release our new hardware on April. So we are going to find our first customers and our sales partners in global market. Thank you for listening.
So very interesting. You know, I keep on, I think there's a theme to my questions because I keep on missing it. But trying to understand what, you know, there's this concept of what is the first beachhead that you're going to win at. And so what is it that you feel as you introduce this that is the beachhead that you really want to own and be the solution to?
I founded this company because the IoT system is doing very simple things like just turning on the light from remotely or just checking the voltage from the machine. It's very simple thing, but IoT system requires so many costs at the development, at the maintenance. But what we are doing is IoT system should be more low cost. The cost from the development cost from the edge device of development. Cloud system is enough low cost, but edge device doesn't. So we created, our patented technology is firmware-less. It means that each edge device connected to the different hardware doesn't require different software. Same software can communicate with each other devices by supporting from the cloud system. So we believe this reduces the IoT cost. That's why I founded this company.